The PT1 connector is a weld-less pipe connector that uses a unique metal-to-metal seal. The connector can be fully installed in less than an hour. It's a simple and inexpensive process, and it doesn't rely on highly skilled personnel or special-to-type installation equipment. The first part of the process is to clean and strip the pipe. Then make a couple of shallow grooves in each section. Once this is done, the PT1 connector is ready for installation. There are two parts to making any connection. First, the pipes must be connected mechanically, and then a seal must be made between them. The PT1 has been designed so that sealing is decoupled from connection, which results in both a very robust joint and a seal unaffected by external influences. This is how we achieve it. These are radial wedge seals. They allow us to create our unique metal-to-metal seal. The first step is to slip a radial wedge seal over one section of grooved pipe. A second radial wedge seal goes over the other section of pipe. The joining stock is used to connect both halves together. We insert both sections of pipe along with the radial wedge seals. Now the sections of pipe are ready to be clamped together. We line up the grooves in the pipe and joining stock with the spigots in the clamp and slot it into place. The second part of the clamp can now be fitted over the other half of the pipe. Now the clamp bolts are installed, creating the connection between the pipes. Because the grooves hold everything in place, it's impossible to assemble the connector incorrectly. The basic assembly is now complete, and the clamp bolts can be tightened to the prescribed torque setting. The connection is now ready for the seal to be energized. This is accomplished by tightening the energization bolts at the end of each clamp. As the bolts enter the clamp, they force the radial wedge seal down a taper within the joining stock. Inside the joining stock, the seal is made partially ductile by the loads generated within the taper. Using only a relatively modest energization torque, we can force the cylindrical leading edge of the radial wedge to conform perfectly to the pipe and joining stock. The result is an exceptionally effective seal that is entirely metallic. This connection is highly rugged and reliable, and is achieved completely without welding, using only conventional piping tools. It has been type approved by Lloyd's Register, and as part of this has passed the crucial API 6FB fire test, amongst numerous others. To find out more, go to www.connectandseal.com or contact inquiries@connectandseal.com.